Today we're going to be talking about the benefits of AI employees. I am joined with James. We've been testing out a lot of AI employees. We've been messing around with a lot of artificial intelligence as a whole, really, over the past maybe 2 years. So, James, what are the benefits of AI employees?
So benefit number one that I'm going to have to kind of say of what the benefit of AI employee is scalability. It's infinite scalability with regards to artificial intelligence. Where if you get inundated with, let's say, inquiries, we do a lot of lead generation over at FatRank, and there's times where certain businesses can't deal with the volume. Where if they've got an AI employee that's able to go back and forth and get all the information, that could reduce a dozen staff and getting that information. They are tedious tasks that need doing that an AI employee can do. So the scalability is definitely what I would say is benefit number one.
Yeah, my second benefit would be the data set that it can remember. Like even for example, if you've ever spoke to myself or James in person, we forget a lot of things. So like
What's your name again?
with I mean, the case is that it's not the case with AI. Like it remembers a lot more. I feel I wish I could just plug in like an AI to my brain just for the memory side of it, so I could remember a lot more stuff. But I think from a memory point of view and trying to make more informed decisions for the business, it definitely does help.
Yeah, and then I'd say benefit number three for having AI employees is they never ring in sick. So they'll work every single day. And they never get that hangover on a Monday morning and don't turn in. So I think that's a great benefit. But on a serious note, like sometimes it's very difficult to kind of plan and scale where humans can ring in sick and it can massively hinder certain businesses. That consistency is a big, big benefit in having an AI employee.
You also don't need to motivate an AI employee either. So that again is
Yeah,
another one.
that's another benefit. Yeah.
The next benefit is SOPs training. So again, you know it, I know it. A lot of times when you are training a new staff, you might need to go over that training data or that SOP 4 or 5 times. They might have questions. I feel like with AI employees, although they're not 100% perfect, you might only need to train it once, and it's kind of got it again. It kind of feeds back in with the memory that I was saying before.
Yeah, for sure. And then another massive one comes down to speed, deliverability. So, with regards to sometimes if an employee's on the phone or they're too busy, they might not respond to certain inquiries or leads for an hour. Where literally, if you've got the correct funnels back and forth, they can be responding within 5 seconds. They can get the information of what they need. So the speed and how fast they are is huge benefits to certain businesses. So that's another big play for me. That's another big benefit of having AI employees.
Yeah, the next benefit for me is probably cost,
Yeah, for sure.
and that's like I think Go High Level is like $97, so like £75. Centra is another one. That's like again 96, $97, so £75. There's so many of these AI employees, and again, if you were to factor up the costs of having maybe two AI employee services as opposed to one member of staff, I don't know, like what's minimum wage nowadays? 2,000, £2,500 a month. So yeah, from that point of view, you again, it's a massive cost saving.
Yeah, another big one for me is also the consistency of the communication. So it's almost like Jordan Belfort's kind of straight line system in sales. You're keeping them on the straight and narrow. That consistency of communication is being able to get the information of what is needed. And I think that's very, very important because at times humans can go off on a tangent. And I think it's important and it also massively helps with regards to error reduction. So you're understanding exactly what's needed. You've got consistent communication, and I think that's another big, big benefit with regards to AI employees.
My next one is And again, this is probably going to be like a two-pronged approach. If you have got an employee and you power them up with an AI employee, you're essentially supercharging them. So let's say, for example, that employee is like a 6 out of 10 with an AI that's got all of your business information. It's got exactly how you want certain tasks being done. Then the rate of failure for that actual human employee is going to be a lot less as well.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, if we go back now over the benefits of AI employees, they're cheaper, they're faster, they're more intelligent, and they're never ringing sick. Like if you think about that, and you says, I've got an employee that's really, really fast, that's really, really cheap, that's really, really good, and never will ringing sick, you'd employ them like that. You'd employ them with a heartbeat. Do you know what I mean? So like, for that reason, if you can get the right prompts and you can give the information and desired outcome, why would you not go with AI employees? It's an absolute no-brainer. The issue is, which AI employee platform do you go with? Obviously, me and you, we've had lots of different videos talking about, is AI employees worth it? Which ones are the best AI employee platforms? If you want to follow up and watch any of them videos, make sure you check out the link in the description. We have so many different videos talking about AI employees. We have a lot of debates on some of them. We even talk about some of the disadvantages as well, because there is disadvantages with regards to AI employees. But this video specifically is about the advantages and the benefits of employing an AI employee, an AI member of staff.
If you guys do have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Or if you want help with lead generation, head over to fatrank.com, fill in the contact form, and our team will be in touch. Thanks for watching.